in order for us to calculate for the protein bar, we first had to use 50 grams of water in order for us to burn it. We have to calculate the temperature in water, so we use final temperature and the initial temperature. And then you have to put it in the equation delta formula. And then you would just plug in the 50 grams, which is the water, and the answer you got from the final temperature and the initial temperature. And then you will have to convert the energies. 1,000 calories equals 1 food calorie. And then calculate the change in mass of food. So it will be the final mass and the initial mass. And then you have to calculate the number of calories for 1 gram of food. Then you have to divide what you had for subtracting the mass final and the mass initial, and divide that with what you got for converting your heat in calories.
So thermochemistry is basically like heat being absorbed during a chemical reaction, which helps us in an experiment. And this will help us in the real world because it will make more people aware of how many calories they're actually eating than they actually claim in the labels from the food they're actually going to eat.
Now, this number, what is the unit?
First, we grabbed the protein bar and weighed it with the total being. Then we placed it on the cork, checking off step 1 and 2. After that, we used a graduated cylinder to measure 50 milliliters of water, checking off step 3. We then grabbed the soda can and poured the 50 milliliters of water into the soda can and bending the tab and placing the steering rod through the tab in the middle of the metal ring with the piece of food under the soda can, checking off step 4. We then took out the thermometer and measured the initial temperature. We then took out the thermometer and measured. Once everything was in place, according to the steps, we called the teacher to light up the food sample. As she is lighting it up, we used the 3 given matches to keep the fire going. Therefore, once the fire stops burning, we get to see the final temperature. Once we're done, we remove the remaining piece of the protein bar and place it in the weighing scale and record the data, checking off step 7. After this, we cleaned off our space and repeated steps 1 through 7 for the following 2 procedures.
Boom, it's done.